Oh man, these people are so inconsiderate, man. Especially this one in front of me. He ain't even getting fuel. This guy over there, man, that flatbed, man, he got enough room. He ain't even in the truck to pull up to get fuel. He just sitting there. And this guy in front of me, he got room to get fuel. He just sitting there. Like, man, why everybody so damn inconsiderate out here, man? Like, I got things to do. I'm trying to get up out of here. Like, I just moved. Look at this shit. What kind of stuff is that, man? I've been here for a whole half an hour trying to get fuel. And there's a flatbed on the other side of him. Like, come on, man. Like, what sense does that make, man? You know, if you can't wait, don't run up and get your food and all the other stuff, man, and keep everybody waiting, man. Go ahead, man, and wait till it's your time to fuel, man, and then you go get your stuff, man. Come on, man. That's just ridiculous, man. It's 2 lanes like that. Come on, man. Half an hour, man. I've been here since 11:27.